In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Australia to Dubai. To do this, I would use Western Union. If you want to use it, just go to westernunion.com and set your country to Australia, and in the country you're sending to, you just want to set it to the United Arab Emirates. From there, go and click on Get Started, and you can, by the way, also enter the amount you want to send. And now, for example, I'll do 70 Australian dollars. Now for the delivery method, you can do bank account or cash pickup, which is delivery minutes. Bank account will be delivery in 3 business days. You do get a better exchange rate. And then you can choose your own payment method right here, for example, a credit card. And then just click on continue. From there, sign in or sign up if you don't yet have an account. Now from there, if it's your first time sending with Western Union, you will need to complete your profile, so just enter your first and last name, phone number, date of birth, occupation, and home address. Then go and choose your receiver, so if you're sending to yourself, go and select myself. If it's someone else in Dubai that you are sending to, select someone else. Then if it's someone else, enter the receiver's information, and otherwise you can skip that. And then enter your address. And then the bank details of the bank account in Dubai that you want to send money to, as well as the purpose of transfer. And then just click confirm, and eventually just going to pay for the transfer. And after you pay for it, it will then be transferred to the bank account details that you enter here. So that's how you can send money from Australia to Dubai. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.